Hello students, this is Ashish Pegadwa from the Electrical Department. So today we will learn about the classification of electrical drives in the subject utilization of electrical energy. Let's move to the content of this topic. In this topic we will learn classification about drives, what are the group drives, individual drives, last we will see multimodal drives, and what are the nature of load torque. So let's see about the classification of drives. Generally, drives are classified into three categories. The first one is group drives, individual drives, and the last one is multimodal drives. Let's see about the group drive. So, it's several group of the mechanism or machine are organized on a one shaft and the driven or actuated by one motor. The system is called the group drive or a shaft drive. So, this is a diagram of group drive on which on single motor and on a single shaft we have connected the various motor or machine based on using various mechanism like belt drive, gear drive, etc. So advantages of the group drives are the most economical, and the disadvantage is that any fault that occurs in the driving motor rendering on the drive component ideal, having very low efficiency because of the losses occurring in the energy transmitting mechanism and having a more power losses. If a main motor will come in fault, then the whole machine will stop. It is not safe in operation. Also, noise level at a working spot is high. Let's see about the individual drive. So, it is a single motor is used to drive or actuate to given mechanism. It does all the jobs connected with this load, and the drive is called the individual drive. All the operation connected with the operating a lathe may be performed by a single motor, and each motor is driven by its own separated motor with the help of the gears, pulleys. It has various disadvantages like very high power loss will occur. Let's see about the multi-motor drive. So each operation of the mechanism is taken care by a separate drive motor, such that the system contains several individual drives, each of the which is used to operate its own mechanism. Separate motors are providing for actuating different parts of the driven mechanism. Let's see about the advantages of multi-motor drives. It is that each of the machine is driven by a separated motor. It can be run and stop as desired. There is a flexibility in the installation of different machine. In the case of the motor will fault, only its connected load and the machine will remain stop, where all other machine will remain continue to operate and it will not disturb any other. It has disadvantages, that is the initial having a very high cost. Let's see the nature of the load torque. So the nature of the load torque depends upon the particular application. A low speed hoist is an example of a load when the torque is constant and the independent of the speed. At a low speed, windage torque is negligible. Net torque is mainly due to gravity, which is constant and the independent of the speed. There are drives where Coulomb's friction dominates over other torque components. Consequently, torque is independent of the speed. For example, it is in a paper mill drive, fan, compressor, aeroplane, centrifugal pump, shift propellers, high-speed hoist, traction are the example. Load torque is a function of a speed. Let's see question for assignment. The first one is explain the classification of a drive. Second is explain nature of load torque. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast. If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast. If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.